My Affiliate Empire review, demo, and $2,125 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Affiliate Empire review. I'm going to add a huge custom bonus to it. I'm going to reveal it in the end of this video, so please stick with me until the end. But first of all, let me tell you everything about this product and how you can actually start making thousands of dollars promoting ClickBank products or any other products online, okay? So this is essentially a system that Kevin and Luca are making $7,000 per month with, promoting mainly ClickBank products, and they actually include a plugin that will be like a mini funnel builder, which means that most of it will be automated and you just have to keep on sending people to this funnel and it just produces money over and over and over again. So again, I'm going to show you the sales page, the inside of the members area, all of the PDFs, all the checklists, the plugin. I'm going to have a demo as well, and again I have well over $2,000 worth of bonuses which are custom made for this promotion. So let's jump into it. Let me share my screen for you guys, and as you can see, it says, attention, do you want a predictable affiliate system to make real money online? Clone and deploy a proven $7,345 per month affiliate system in just a few clicks. Bank passive commissions from ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus with no paid ads, no copywriting, and no experience. So quite exciting. Obviously you can go through all of this in your own time. They have some massive proof, including this ClickBank proof, which is super exciting because obviously on ClickBank you can promote products in any niche. So these guys will have a little demo right here. I'm going to have the same demo both on my YouTube channel and on my blog, so you can check it out. I'm scrolling down here. And again, obviously this will work for Warrior Plus products, for JVZoo products, for ClickBank, but ClickBank is the most exciting because again, you can just promote anything in any niche. Kevin and Luca, these are the two guys behind this product. Just scrolling down here, and again, My Affiliate Empire, this is the name of this product, and this is My Affiliate Empire review. They will have some bonuses right here, so obviously you're gonna get my bonuses on top of these bonuses mentioned on the sales page. $17, this will be the price, but we're gonna jump into the pricing a little bit later. Some testimonials and 30 days money back guarantee as always. So that's essentially it, and let's jump into the members area right now. So this is what you'll see after picking it up. So as you can see, you will actually be able to access the main product and all of the upsells from the same area, which is cool because you don't have to be going back to JVZoo and look for links. So everything is right here. And as you can see, the main product is My Affiliate Empire. So we're gonna have the guide and everything else. So first of all, obviously you're gonna get some video training, so everything is in an over-the-shoulder video format. Then you're gonna get a plugin and instructions on how to install it and how to use it. So as you can see, you're gonna get the plugin, My Affiliate Empire Action Guide, My Affiliate Empire Resource List, then a couple of bonuses, and done for you funnel with Instagram import file. Okay, so this is everything that you're getting just with the main product. So as you can see, again, these are the videos. The PDF looks like this. So this is the action guide, and then you also get the resource list, which is very helpful. So essentially this is exactly what you're getting. So obviously you're gonna have to go through the video training to see how to set this all up and how to make money with it. Essentially you'll be creating little pieces of content, and you can even use other people's content to save time, and then just creating a mini funnel with the plugin and just keep on sending people to it using the content that you created. And then obviously on the other side you have an affiliate offer that you make money with, and it's all designed to really convert. And again, this will work in any niche because again, you're working with ClickBank. So this is what you will see inside the members area. Again, you're getting the PDFs, the plugin, the video training, and obviously you're gonna just tie it all together and make money with it, okay? And right now let's check out the funnel. So let me go through the pricing first, and then I'm going to show you exactly what each OTO is. So the main product will be $17, as you can see, and this will be the early bird price. OTO number 1, $27, OTO number 2, $17, and OTO number 3, $67. And as always, on my blog right here, I have a full breakdown, not only of the funnel, but the whole product. So you can read the full written review right here on my blog. And if you decide to pick up your copy, just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, and this will take you to the sales page. You're gonna get all of my bonuses that I'm going to mention in a second. And if you're watching on YouTube, if you want to see my written review, that's the second link in the description. The first link is a direct link to the sales page. Now, as you can see, again, my affiliate empire will be $17, and you're gonna get everything that I just showed you. Upsell number one is $27, and this is 10 fully loaded funnels. Okay, so you're gonna just plug and play it. These are made to convert like crazy. You're gonna get ready to get humongous amounts of sales through traffic generation and affiliate marketing, and you also get step-by-step training. Okay, so this is 10 done for you funnels. OTO number two, $17, as I already mentioned, and this will be an additional plugin which will essentially allow you to make even more money. And this plugin will be generating unlimited traffic. Okay, so that's $17. And then we have OTO number three, the last OTO, the last upsell, $67, and this will be a reseller's license. So a part of the reseller's license, you're gonna get a bunch of done for you resources and additional video training to make sure that you really know how to sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits. And guys, as always, OTOs are optional, and everything that I just showed you in this video up until the funnel is included in the main product. So video training, PDFs, and the plugins. So you'll be fine with the main product alone, but obviously if you want the done for you stuff or the reseller's license, then you can definitely pick up one of these. Now, let me show you all of my bonuses, because this is where it gets exciting. I'm actually giving away more than $2,000 worth of bonuses, and this will include my custom bonus made especially for this promotion. And this custom bonus is all about social media traffic. Okay, so obviously the more traffic you're gonna send to these mini funnels, the more money you'll make, and my custom bonus will show you exactly how to do it. Okay, now a part of that, I'm going to give you free resellers licenses to my own products. You're gonna get a reseller's license to Instabit, to Traffic Trapper 2.0, and to Traffic Extractor Ultimate. This bonus alone is worth $500. Okay, now you're gonna get Blaze, my Doubles of the Day awarded course about generating free traffic from Facebook and making $400 per day with it. You're gonna get Rapid Niche Profits, which is great, especially if you're working with ClickBank. You're gonna get Targeted Traffic Cache Surge, a course on Bing ads. You're gonna get Newbie Traffic Formula, generating traffic outside of the Make Money Online niche. You're also gonna get Flip Me with the income booster and a reseller's license, so that alone is worth well into 3 figures. You're gonna get Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits. These are all Doubles of the Day awarded products, by the way. You're gonna get Tube Traffic Avalanche and my case study on how to get free traffic, and I'm going to give you 9 additional bonuses on top of it. Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar plugin, and short code Call to Action. Now, that's a total of $625, but on top of all that, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus Doubles of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. Now, if you would want to pay for all of this, you would have to pay $1,500, but you're gonna get all of this on top of all of the bonuses that I just mentioned, which will bring it up to a total of $2,125. All of these bonuses, again, you're gonna get for free from me, just as a thank you for picking up my affiliate empire through my link. And again, if you want to pick it up through my link, just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or click on the first link in the description if you are watching on YouTube. As always, if you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on my blog or on my YouTube video. Please give it a like on YouTube as well. I'm super excited for this product. And just to sum it up really quickly, again, I have a little written sum up here. You don't need to be a technical wizard. Everything is done for you with these mini funnels and the plugin. You don't need to spend hours writing content or shooting videos, because you can use other people's content to do it. You don't need to spend money on ads. Everything is explained inside, so you're going to be using free traffic. This will work easily in any niche, and obviously you will be working with ClickBank, so there are hundreds, even thousands of products to promote. free traffic methods included, and again, it's super newbie friendly. And on top of all that, you're gonna get my exclusive bonuses for all of it. Again, $2,125 worth of bonuses, and these are not PLR, these are all actual courses, products, and bonuses created by myself. Okay, so again, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing you very, very shortly in the next video. And by the way, my affiliate empire goes live on October 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern, so see you there. Ciao.